Hi everyone, it's Carol from Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis, and in today's posture breakdown, I'm going to go over forearm planks. You'll find this in our Inferno Hot Pilates classes. It's really great for overall strengthening your arms, your abs, your back, your glutes, your legs. Whole body is really working here. It can be really difficult to hold it for a full minute, which is what we do in class. So I'm gonna break it down so you can see the correct form. There are always variations to dial it down, so take it your level and let's see what kind of form we're looking for. So we start this from our elbows, and you notice you want the shoulders directly over your elbows from the side. The toes tuck under, and then you lift the hips and hold. You want to make sure the stomach is tight, legs are strong. You can actually engage your glutes as well. Making sure that the head doesn't drop or lift too high. You want to kind of look right in between your two hands to have neutral neck. And you want neutral spine here, which means there is that slight curve in the low back. As we get tired, sometimes that booty will lift too high or we sink the hips down. And again, if that starts to happen, come to your knees instead. Try to get the core nice and tight. You should be able to hold that straight line from your head down to your knees. And eventually over time, you'll be able to hold it from here as well. The other thing we see sometimes is a sinking in the shoulder blades. So think how you press away from the floor to hold yourself in place. And again, if you start to notice that, you're kind of pulling down here, come down to your knees and see if you can press into the floor and get nice and strong here. I hope those tips help you the next time you're in class. Let us know if you have any questions, book your class soon, and we'll see you at Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis.